Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes Benz C Class. So from any screen, you see here, it was already on the the menu, but if I go off the menu, go into something like Navi, so it's on Navi, so we can either click the home button there and just scoot along here till we get to there's telephone, and click on telephone. You see you've got connect device there or options. Connect device goes against the grain because we're not connecting the device, we're deleting one, but click on connect device and you'll see there's my phone. It's the only one connected at the moment, so if I scroll down to there, on the side here you'll see an arrow and some lines. If we knock the rotary control across, brings up this new menu, deauthorize, details, reception volume, transmission volume. We want deauthorize, so then I click on deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? Yes and no. It's defaulted to no, but we want yes. Highlight yes, click the rotary control, it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes Benz C Class. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is switched on like so. Then we're going to be watching out at the bottom. On the system, the star button here at the right of the rotary control, click star, and then we go along till we find telephone. Another way, by the way, which is a lot easier. On Navi, we just click telephone on there, so straight to the buttons. It's on connect device there, but if not, you just move the rotary control till you get to connect device and then press the rotary control in the middle. Search for phones is highlighted, click search for phones, and then click, as if clicking the button 3 times is not enough to convince it that you want to look for a phone. You've got to do that. Anyway, it's looking for phones now. I've just disconnected or deleted this phone from this system, so sometimes it takes a little bit longer for it to work out what the driver is actually trying to accomplish. There you go, it's showing Barry's iPhone there. So I turn the rotary control till I highlight it, click, and with a bit of luck some magic should happen. Here we go. Does passkey 996814 match? Yes it does, so click pair there and click yes. Oh sorry, click yes with a button, it's not a touch screen, and then click allow. That's it connected. And just where, I'm not sure. There you go, MB Bluetooth, so that's it connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes Benz C Class. So first of all, we find music, we go over to music. If you see at the bottom there, MB Bluetooth, that's already showing. Now sometimes on the Mercedes system, it's quite funny. It doesn't always show up. Sometimes you have to tell the media system that you've got an audio device, even though you've paired your mobile. How you do that is, you see here media, or I'll just put it, that's on Navi. So you see here, you've got media, like so. It says Bluetooth audio device paused. If I click up there, media, you see a little arrow next to it, and then click down and across to connect device, select connect device, and then you'll see there, searching for audio, that's the one I want to connect, so I'll click OK there. Go back, click play, we'll turn this up. That was the worst case scenario though. Normally, or most of the time, it will have already connected, but that's kind of what you do. I'll just click back there, and again, you click on media, you just scroll through like so, but media, click down, connect device to the actual phone you want to connect. So you can also, if I'm going to answer the phone here and your passenger wants to play his music, you could select his music or her music or whatever pronouns you use these days. Select which phone theirs is and then just click on it and then you'll listen to their music. That's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Mercedes Benz C Class. From any screen, you've got Navi here, or we can click the star here. Click the star and then go along to map, select map, like so, or just click Navi there. Doesn't show a whole lot there, but if you click the rotary control backwards, like so, it brings up this other menu, and we want destination. Select destination, click the rotary control, address entry, click again. United Kingdom. Now the most important thing is here you've got country, town, street. You can go on forever, so you just turn the rotary control or knock it backwards there till you get to postcode, highlight postcode, click on the rotary control, and then we're Grosvenor Garage. Turn the rotary control till you get to the letter you want. So we're PR54. It's gone back to the alphabet E, A, PR54E8. It's there, nothing happens. So you've got to press this again. So you highlight that. Now I can go to street and then number, but you know that's going to get me close enough. So just take it over there to continue, turn the rotary control to continue, click OK. And there you go, you've got route 1 and we've got start here. So select start.
Prepare to turn right.
That's it, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.